Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that affects every single one of us, money. But we're not just talking about earning it or spending it. We're diving deep into how to truly understand it, how to build real, lasting wealth, and most importantly, how to achieve that sense of financial peace we all crave. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building a solid foundation for your financial future, right here in the United States. So, what is money, really? At its core, it's a tool. It's a means of exchange that we use to get the things we need and want. But for so many people, it feels like a source of stress, confusion, and anxiety. The first step to changing that relationship is to stop seeing money as the enemy and start seeing it as a powerful tool that you can learn to master. Think of it like learning to drive a car. At first, it's intimidating, but with practice and knowledge, you gain control and can go wherever you want. Your finances are no different. Let's start with the absolute bedrock of financial health, budgeting. I know the word budget can sound restrictive, like you're putting yourself on a financial diet. But let's reframe that. A budget isn't about restriction. It's about intention. It's you telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. The most effective way to start is by tracking your spending for a month. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or just a simple notebook. Write down every single dollar you spend. You'll be amazed at what you discover. Those daily coffee runs or subscription services you forgot about. They add up. Once you know where your money is going, you can create a plan. A popular and simple method is the 50-30-20th rule. 50% of your after-tax income goes to needs things like housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes to wants, dining out, hobbies, entertainment, that new gadget. And the final, crucial 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. This isn't a rigid law, it's a guideline. You can adjust the percentages to fit your life, your income, and your goals. The key is to be intentional and give every dollar a job. Now, let's talk about something that holds a lot of people back, debt. Specifically, high-interest debt, like from credit cards. This kind of debt is like trying to swim with an anchor tied to your leg. It actively works against your efforts to build wealth. If you have credit card debt, making it your number one priority is essential. There are two popular strategies for tackling it: the avalanche method and the snowball method. With the avalanche method, you focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on everything else. Mathematically, this saves you the most money in interest over time, but for some, it can feel slow. That's where the snowball method comes in. With this approach, you focus on paying off your smallest debt first, regardless of the interest rate. Once that's gone, you roll that payment amount onto the next smallest debt. This method gives you quick wins and builds momentum, which can be incredibly motivating. Which one is better? The one you'll actually stick with. Choose the method that best fits your personality and get started. Okay, so you've got a budget and you're tackling debt. What's next? This is where we shift from defense to offense. We start building wealth. And the single most powerful tool you have for building wealth is investing. For many, investing sounds complicated and risky, reserved for Wall Street experts. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Thanks to technology, investing has never been more accessible for the average person. The magic of investing comes down to one concept: compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process of your investment returns earning their own returns. It's a snowball effect for your money. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. A dollar invested in your 20s has decades longer to grow and compound than a dollar invested in your 40s. So where should you invest? For most people starting out in the US, a fantastic place to begin is with retirement accounts like a 401k or a Roth IRA. If your employer offers a 401k with a match, that is free money. I repeat, free money. Contributing enough to get the full employer match should be a top priority, even before paying off low-interest debt. It's an instant 50% or 100% return on your investment. You can't beat that anywhere. After securing the match, or if you don't have a 401k, Consider opening a Roth IRA. The money you contribute to a Roth IRA has already been taxed, which means it grows completely tax-free, and you can withdraw it in retirement without paying any taxes. It's an incredibly powerful tool for building tax-free wealth. Inside these accounts, you don't need to be a stock-picking genius. In fact, trying to be one is often a losing game. A simple, proven strategy is to invest in low-cost index funds, or ETFs, like those that track the S&P 500. An S&P 500 index fund basically lets you own a tiny piece of the 500 largest companies in America. It's diversified, it's low cost, and historically, it has provided solid long-term returns. Set up automatic contributions every month and then leave it alone. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. It takes the emotion out of investing and keeps you consistent. Now, a critical piece of the financial peace puzzle is having an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net. Life is unpredictable. Cars break down, medical emergencies happen, and people lose jobs. An emergency fund is a stash of cash, separate from your investments, that covers 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This money should be liquid, meaning easily accessible, like in a high-yield savings account. It's not meant to make you rich. It's meant to keep you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Without an emergency fund, a single unexpected event can derail your entire financial plan. Build this fund with the same urgency you use to pay down high-interest debt. As you build these habits, budgeting, paying off debt, investing consistently, and maintaining an emergency fund, you'll start to notice a shift. The anxiety around money begins to fade. You're no longer just surviving paycheck to paycheck. You're building a future. This is financial peace. It's not about being a millionaire tomorrow. It's the quiet confidence that comes from knowing you have a plan. You are in control, and you are prepared for whatever comes your way. It's the freedom to make choices based on your values and goals, not your financial limitations. Let's recap the journey to financial peace. First, change your mindset and see money as a tool. Second, create an intentional budget by tracking your spending. Third, aggressively pay down high-interest debt using the avalanche or snowball method. Fourth, build your wealth by consistently investing for the long term, taking full advantage of accounts like a 401k and Roth IRA and using simple, low-cost index funds. And fifth, protect your progress by building and maintaining a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. This journey won't happen overnight. It takes discipline, patience, and a commitment to your future self. There will be times you want to splurge or get discouraged. That's normal. The key is to stay consistent, automate as much as you can, and always remember your why. Why are you doing this? Is it to retire early? To travel the world? To provide a better life for your family? To have the freedom to pursue a passion project? Keep that goal front and center. That is what will keep you going. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this broke down these big topics into actionable steps you can start taking today. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building a life of financial freedom and peace. Let me know in the comments which step you're going to start with first. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.